Alright guys, welcome to your semester review. This is number 23 and number 24. Okay, so on number 23 I have given you an equation, and the best thing to do is you can actually plug it in if you want. You can go y equals 2, x is negative 3 plus 5, and you can just type that in like that. So watch what I do. 2 parentheses negative 3 plus 5, which is negative 1. Okay? Do the same thing for the next one. So you have 2 times negative 2 plus 5. So 2 parentheses negative 2 plus 5 comes out to be 1. And you just keep at it. 2 times negative 1 plus 5, just like that. Okay? 2 parentheses negative 1 plus 5 is 3. You see a pattern going. Do the same thing. Next one will be 2 times 0, that's your x, plus 5. 2 times 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 times 0 is 5. So you're increasing by 2. 2 times 1 plus 5, same thing. 2 parentheses 1 plus 5 comes out to be 7. Okay, so there's your 7. Last one. 2 times 2 plus 5, just like that. So 2 parentheses 2 plus 5, and that comes out to be 9. All right. After you do all those things, go ahead and write them as an ordered pair. Negative 3, negative 1. Okay. Next one. Negative 2, 1. Negative 1, 3. 0, 5. 1, 7. 2, 9, just like that. Okay, and now I want you guys to graph after. So go ahead and graph. Get my ruler, and we're going to plot these points. Negative 3, negative 1, so negative 3, quadrant 4. Negative 2, 1. Negative 1, 3. 0, 5. 1, 7. And 2 is 9. It's like way up here, so we're not going to graph that one. Okay? Connect your points. And there you have your line, just like that. All right. 24. You are to do the following as well. Okay? So we got 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 under your x. So y equal parentheses 2 minus 4 squared. Alright, so get your calculator. I'm going to clear that. Parentheses 2 minus 4, not negative, square. And the square button is right here. See a square? So hit that one. Okay? Comes out to be 4. Do the same for the other one. So you have parentheses 3 minus 4 squared. Okay? Just like that. Parentheses 3 minus 4 squared comes out to be 1. Next one, 4 minus 4 squared. 0. See that right there? Next one, parentheses 5 minus 4 squared is 1. And then parentheses 6 minus 4 squared is 4. All right. So if you wanted to write it, you could. 4 minus 4 squared, 5 minus 4 squared, 6 minus 4 squared. And that's how you get it. Okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and use this to answer this. So, let me rip this page out so you guys can kind of see it real quick. Alright, so here we go. Okay. You guys ready? So you have, you have all these points, so I'm going to write it right here. So you have 2, 4, 3, 1. See, I'm just rewriting this. 4, 0, 5, 1, and 6, 4. So I just copy this onto here. Okay? All right. So here we go. Let's go ahead and plot these points. 2, 2, 4. positive 2, positive 4. Okay? 3, 1, 3, 1. 4, 0, 4, 0. Remember, this is your x, this is your y. 5, 1, 6, 4. Just like that. And now we're going to draw the shape. Okay? Make sure it touches, just like this. This shape is called a parabola. It looks like a U. Looks like the letter U. It's called a parabola. Alright, so now let's go ahead and answer some of these questions. Okay? Let me see if I can make this a little smaller. Yeah, let's go a little smaller so we can use that to help us. Okay, here we go. The question says, what is x, okay, when y is 1? So when y is 1, see how y is 1 right here? X is 3, because there's a point here, and 5. So x is 3 and x is 5. Number 2, what is y? So I want to know what y is when x is 2. So when x is 2, here's x being 2, 1, 2, what is your y? Well, what's this point right here? It is y is equal to 4. Okay? Check up here. See, x is 3 and 1, 5 and 1. See that? And here it's 4 and 2 and 4. Okay? What is the domain? Domain is always your x value. So your domain is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Number 4, what is the range? The range is your y. So what is your y? 4, 1, 0. 1's already written, and 4's already written. So you don't have to write it off. All right. The graph is, what is it doing before 4, 0? So here is 4, 0. What is this graph doing? It is going down. See how it's going in this direction? And the word for it going down is the word decreasing. Okay? What is it doing after? After is, here's 4, 0, you're going to go after. What is that graph doing? It is going up, and the word for going up in English is the word increase. Increasing. Alright, so increasing and decreasing. Next, what is the maximum? So if you're looking at this point, the maximum is actually possibly infinity, but I'm going to look at these 2 points. So what is your highest point? The highest point is at 2, 4, just based on these points, and 6, 4. Highest point. What is the minimum? Minimum is the lowest point. So what is your lowest point? What is that point right there? 4, 0. Okay? Next, it says, what is the end behavior? Well, on the left is always negative infinity. But what is your y going? Your y is going up. And what is up? Positive infinity. The right side, you always write this. These 2 things right here, you always write. Okay? So what's happening to the y? The y is also going up. And what is up? Up is positive infinity. There you go. And there you have number 23, 24.